Hello from Mitchell Livestock. Got done with another nice sale. Had a real snappy cow sale, I thought.
Yeah, we'll kind of go through it. Man, it was a good day yesterday. Sold quite a few cows again. Good market. Sold 796 head. We'll get right into it. The heiferettes from 210 on up to 270. Kind of age and condition on them kind of drove that price. On the cows from 165 on up to 180. The feeding cows 180 all the way up to 198. Fat cows 178 to 189.50. The lower yielding bulls from that $2 on up to 220, and the high yielding bulls from 220 on up to 237. Man, it felt like a good strong market though. Quite a few good cows.
And a lot of them good cows. You know, we had several kind of warmed up cows. I wouldn't call them fat. I'd say they're just been on feed a little bit, and they're going back to feed.
Yep. You want to get them bigger, and man, them guys just scoop them up in a good snappy sale. And
yeah.
Got along real good.
How about the baby calf trade?
Yeah, we did pretty good. I suppose we had, around 15, 20 head,
yeah.
You know, kind of that ballpark, that 1,100. I think we touched 1,650, 1,675 on a couple, some pretty good calves. And, yeah, we got along real good. Had quite a few buyers looking for them. But, yeah, got along real good that way. Had a good sale today.
Yeah. We sold
31 and a quarter, somewhere in there. So a lot of home raised calves, a lot of good cattle today.
Yeah, felt a little pressure, I thought, as far as the market, but you know, the quality that we saw through the ring today was just something to be said. I mean, a lot of big, good calves and some of these backgrounded type steers and stuff. Kind of go over a few of these quotes. I didn't write a lot of them down, but here's a nice set of steers. Weighed 885 and they brought 350 a pound. Then we had some steers that weighed 788 and they brought 380. So some heifers off the same deal. Really good go here. Here's some 813 heifers at 345. So just a good ticket that way. Some of these kind of backgrounded type steers. Several of these 10 weight steers, mixed colored, stuff like that. And not some of these that I wrote down, not big bunches, but here's some 27 steers, bring 302, had a little bit of meat on them. Here's some 1063s, bring 312. Some 1028s, bring 312. So just a good go that way. How about this? Here's 4 loads of steers. And they weighed from 964 all the way to 991, but all backgrounded, all preconditioned, everything done. The 964s bring 335.75, and the 991s bring 324.50. So just a good ticket that way. Some of these heifers, I would say, I had a few of these 10 weight heifers kind of trading in the $2.80 to $3 depending on the flesh and condition, stuff like that. So just a good go. Cattle dollaring up nice, a little bit of pressure, but
there was
still a lot of buyers in the seats.
Right. You know, we've seen it, the good home raised quality cattle sure sold good. Yeah. And guys were happy. The dollars per head is still there. It's still good. You know, felt a little bit of pressure, but all in all, I thought we had a good day.
Yeah, good day. Coming up down the road.
Yep, next week on Wednesday, we'll do a weigh-up cows and bulls. Should be a good run. Next Thursday, no sale. We'll be back in 2 weeks. Be on the 7th of May. Be quite a few head already consigned. Going to be our fall calf special. So quite a few fall calves on there. Quite a few larger consignment. We'll have some bigger cattle on that sale too. Sure expecting about 3,000, 3,500 head. So
be calves and yearlings.
Yep.
So
be a good sale that day, and that's what we kind of got coming up.
Sounds good. Been a good week of marketing. We'll see you down the road.
Feeding cows there. 45, 46 here. A bit another 7. A bit another 8. A bit another 9. A bit another 15. A bit another 1.